Hi everyone, I'm just recording this video to sort out the issue. If you are having the user ID issue when you install the Docker image, and you try to run the Docker image using without root command. If you are trying to use it without root command and then you enter to that image and it doesn't show any username, and you have to work with some sudo instructions, or sometimes with the user things. I'm just gonna quick run through the solution. I'm currently using a fin image. A fin image is basically uh, like they have given the instructions how you can use it. I've been doing all this stuff, like I executed till run docker.sh, and it runs successfully and built the image in the Docker. But when I tried to log into that image, it showed the user ID issue, and like I was doing plenty of other stuff. But for example, I needed to share the SSH key generator. I have to generate that key to access some board. So I got issue with the user ID. So I will just quickly run through the solution that I found. So initially I built the image. It came with the pre-built image that I built. Uh, and just as I log in, it showed me that groups cannot find name for the group ID, and it shows me that I have no name. Initially I thought it was not going to be a problem, but I had to work with the user ID. So I just checked with the ID. It showed me the IDs, group IDs, and user ID, group ID, in groups, but it haven't showed me any registered username name against those IDs. I tried and other stuff as well, like who am I, to find out that is it going to show me any username. So it appears with the ID and showed that cannot find a name for that ID, so it means that it was not picking up the name. And I tried to sudo su, and after sudo it was asking me who are you, after showing that unknown user ID 1000. So the solution, which is rightly here, is that I found that those IDs, if you see here, when I press the IDs, it showed me the IDs 1000 and 1000 for the user IDs, group IDs, and the groups. So what I did, I just went to a file, which I will just show you, and I just replace those IDs with these thousands, and it appeared with the solution. So I will let you know that where are the issues. So initially, where you have cloned your image, in that image you usually with the fin, specifically with the fin, because they have run docker.sh file, which executes the docker file. And in this docker file, if you just open this file, it will appear like this, and we have few lines here which actually shows the group ID and username, group name, and user ID. So I just replaced this ID here with 1000 and ID here with the 1000, which is actually the user ID and the group ID, and just saving it and rerunning it by the command that they mentioned on their website, that I have to execute dot run docker.sh from the library where I have cloned the fin. So when I did it, it appeared with the solution, and the solution was rightly here. Like instead of who am I, it showed me that a root at the rate fin is the user on, and after that pressing, I was able to see who am I, and execute it. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Hope it's gonna help you out. Please comment me if I have did anything wrong. Thank you so much.